Hello everyone, welcome to another episode with Venkat Varma Chemistry. Now today we can discuss S block elements JEE Main 2023 April session. The continuous the previous session. The question is, in the given reaction cycle CaCl2 plus Na2CO3, it gives X plus Y. The Y is going to be X is going to be CaCl2. Now, what are the X, Y, Z respectively? In the given reaction, when calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate, I am writing the equation CaCl2 react with sodium carbonate to give calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Now here calcium carbonate is a X, sodium chloride is a Y. Yes. Now the formation of calcium carbonate with sodium chloride with CaCl2 Na2CO3 is a double replacement reaction takes place. The product of these reactions are calcium carbonate, sodium chloride. So to obtain calcium chloride from calcium carbonate, we need to react calcium carbonate with hydrochloric acid. Now CaCO3 with hydrochloric acid, HCl, it gives calcium chloride with carbon dioxide and water. So to balance the equation, 2HCl H2O, CaCl2 CO2 H2O. Here X going to be CaCO3, Y is the sodium chloride. Now Z is a hydrochloric acid. X becomes CaCO3 and Y becomes NaCl. Z is a hydrochloric acid. The option is going to be CaCO3, NaCl and HCl. The option should be 2. Coming to next question. The density of alkali metals in the order. Now, as move from top to bottom or down in a group, size increases. Size increases and also volume of atom increases. The number of electrons and protons increases, but increasing in mass is greater than that of increases the volume of density which is defined as mass per unit volume will increases generally. Now from alkali metals means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are alkali metals. Alkali metals in from down the group, thus their size will be increases. Size increases and also volume of atom increases, the number of electrons, protons increases, but increasing in mass greater than that of increases in volume. So the density which is defined as mass per unit volume. What is density? Mass per unit volume will be decreases generally. The density of alkali metals increases. Density of alkali metals increases down the group except potassium. Therefore the correct order of density of alkali metals, potassium is less than sodium is less than rubidium is less than cesium. This is the order of density. Potassium is less than sodium, is less than rubidium, and less than cesium. So the option is going to be fourth option. Option will be fourth. Coming to next question. Beryllium hydroxide react with strontium hydroxide to yield of an ionic salt. Choose the incorrect option related to this reaction from the following. The option 1 is given. Both strontium, beryllium elements are present in ionic salt. Second option, beryllium is tetrahedrally coordinate in the ionic salt. Third, the element beryllium is present in the cationic part of the ionic salt. The fourth one, the reaction is example of acid-base neutralization reaction. Have a look for question. Beryllium hydroxide. See, beryllium hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide has amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature, which means it reacts with acid as well as base. Strontium hydroxide has basic nature. Beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric nature. Strontium hydroxide is basic nature. These two compounds undergoes acid-base reaction to get salt. For example, beryllium hydroxide with the strontium hydroxide, it's coming to strontium 2 plus BeOH4 2 minus. 2 minus. As beryllium is present in anionic part. According to question, which is right option? The elements beryllium is present in cationic part of the ionic salt. 15th is going to be third option, which is incorrect. Beryllium present in cationic part of the anionic salt. Actual beryllium is present anionic part. The option is third. Look at for next question. Given below two statements, one is labeled as assertion, other labeled as reason. Assertion, beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride produce characteristic flame. Reason, the excitation of energy is high in beryllium chloride and magnesium chloride. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the option. Okay, look at for question. In beryllium magnesium, the electrons are strongly bonded. The energy required to excited state, these electrons is very high. Therefore, when the electron and the electron revert back to its original path or original position, the energy released does not fall. The energy released does not fall. In the visible region. Hence, no color in the flame test. Why the magnesium and beryllium does not give flame test means beryllium and magnesium, the electrons are strongly bonded. The energy required to excitation these electrons is very high. Therefore, the electrons revert back its original position. The energy released does not fall on the visible region. Hence, no color in the flame test. So, according to question, which is right? Beryllium chloride, magnesium chloride produce characteristic flame? No, it cannot produce flame test. So, it is false. But the excitation energy is high. Excitation energy is high in beryllium chloride and magnesium chloride. According to question, our option will be 4. Thank you. These questions are completely related to S block elements in April session 2023. Thank you.